Yeah, Coach. I just want to thank you, congratulate you on the 1 year anniversary,
Thank you,
and
man.
let everyone know that I found you probably 8 months ago on TikTok, and I had done turned my little 2K account into about 300. I found you and stopped trading, did paper trading, watched and learned and studied, and I started having decent days. And then not everyone knows, but I'm a truck driver. Not long ago, you actually gave me a lifetime, and I have took full advantage of every video in there about 20 times or more. In the YouTube videos, I've watched them I don't know how many times, but I think since the day you gave me the lifetime, I have had one red day and the rest have been even, or I haven't traded because I didn't like the market, all because of what I've learned just watching, learning, and listening. And I can't stress enough, you can't watch them videos enough times. I wish there was more of them.
Appreciate you, man. Thank you so much, Cliffy. Be safe when you're driving out there, brother. We appreciate you every day.
Thank you, sir.
Got it. Love you, man.